Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you enjoyed that more exciting intro to a room tour. I figured you'd also want to know where all the pieces are from, so now I'm going to go ahead and walk you through everything in my room and let you know where they're from. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, when you first enter my room, you have my nightstand and my bed. My headboard I got years and years ago from Wayfair. If I could still find it, then I will link it below. Everything that I'll be able to find, I will link in the description box below. But this is a new purchase. This is actually from Target, and it is technically an end table for the living room, but I decided that I liked the amount of storage and everything that it provided, so I'm using it as a nightstand instead. And it fits everything in here a lot nicer. Like, you can fit a full jar of, these are my pre-probiotics from Ollie Vitamins. They fit in here perfectly and the drawer still closes. The only modification that I made to this is that I added a handle on the front because I felt that it looked a bit unfinished for something that's going to be in the bedroom. So this handle was from Lowe's. I just went ahead and installed it, and this little tray up here is from Target years ago. I don't think that they still have this. And these little coasters are just classic marble coasters, and they were a gift, so I don't remember where these were from. Then obviously I gave you a clip of this down here. This is my jewelry box by Stackers, and I have a full video up on my channel of my jewelry box and organization, what it is, all the information about it, and I just thought that it looked really nice underneath the nightstand. I originally was planning to put a basket and maybe some little bits in there because this area seemed a bit bare and empty, but I really like how the jewelry box ended up looking down here. So now moving on to my bedding. The actual bedding is a duvet cover. This is from West Elm, and I don't remember what it was called, but it has these cute little pom-pom looking details in different lines across it, and I love it. I think that it adds some texture to the room. I love that it's white. The only thing is you get little fluffs of lint that get stuck in each of the little pom-poms, and it drives me nuts, so I have a lint roller in my set of drawers that I'll lint roll throughout the week. Then these two throw cushions back here are from my old bedding. This is from IKEA. These were like just the pillow shams that came from the other duvet cover. And then all four of these throw pillows are from Marshall's years ago. I always find really good pillows at Target and Marshall's. Then my throw blanket right here is one of the softest blankets ever, and again, I got it the same time that I got my duvet cover, and it's also from West Elm. Now flipping over to this side of the room, this is a 43-inch Sony Smart TV. I don't know if anybody cares, but I can link this down in the description box below. I love it so much. I also like that I don't need a Roku or Apple TV because it is a smart TV, so it has all the apps on the actual TV, and I don't need 101 different things connected to it to watch my shows. This couch I got years and years ago when we first moved into this house, so 2012, and it was from just this random store in LA that we got this couch from, so I don't know any information about it, and honestly it's not super comfortable, but it is a futon, so it opens out into a bed, so that's the reason why I got it originally. This cushion right here I just got from Target. It's such a beautiful pillow. It has some nice texture to it. I really like it, and I like the size of it. This couch needed a bigger and a smaller pillow. Then this one again was from Marshall's years ago. Now this full-length mirror was from IKEA, and I really like it. The only thing is that it was a complete and total mission to apply. It was so heavy, so hard to put up, and also my sister and I are convinced that it's a fat mirror because this is the only mirror that we are getting dressed in. We'll check our outfits and then be like, wait, this doesn't look that cute, but then we'll look at another mirror and we'll look fine. So I don't know, I like it, but it just doesn't do the most for me. So moving over to this side of my bed, we have quite a bit going on. So this beautiful mosaic tile piece that I have hanging above my bed is from Pier 1, and I got it, I want to say 6 years ago, and I had been looking everywhere for this, and they barely came back in stock. There was only one left in stock at a Pier 1 that was an hour away from my house, and I took the trip because it's just such a beautiful piece, and I feel like it ties my whole room together. So down here I have my laundry basket, and it's made out of this like wooden wicker weave fabric type of thing material. and I really like it because of its size and that it is separated between light and dark, and it has like beige accents on it that say light and dark, and I feel like that just like did a lot for tying my room color and theme together. Then this is a recent addition to my room. I was sick of the two pieces of artwork that were on this wall over here, and I just love handbags, and I feel like they are a beautiful art piece, so I wanted to put them on display instead of just throwing my purse down on my couch or back in my closet at the end of the day. I feel like I wanted to kind of use them as a statement piece in my room, and I use them every single day, so it's a nice thing to just like come home and hang my purse up, and then it's also keeping its shape a little bit better. So I got these little hooks from Amazon, and I think that they are so cute, and I'm loving this new addition to my room. Plus it's looking really good in the background of my videos. So now moving on to my closet. You guys have seen this in tons of videos. I've done a bunch of closet organization videos. I've actually done a video of me building and making this closet out of my old one that was here before with my dad. It used to just be one shelf, one rod to hang, and that's it. And we actually designed this and built it and installed it, everything ourselves. And I can link all those videos in the description box below if you're interested. But this is a Alpha closet system from the Container Store. So next up, we have my ceiling fan. This is a new addition. We don't really use the air conditioning too much in the summer. My dad just doesn't believe in using it. It drives me and my sister crazy because we get super hot. So I decided, since my room doesn't ventilate air very well, it just gets super hot for some reason in my room, specifically in the house, that I wanted to install a ceiling fan before summer so that if it gets hot, I could circulate the air and cool down even just a little bit. And this is from Home Depot. It's by the brand Hunter, and I will link it down below because, wow, it does such a great job of cooling down my room. So obviously the light's coming in behind me, so I'm going to look really dark in this clip because this is the curtain in front of my window. But these curtains are a 95-inch curtain from Target that I absolutely love. They're by Threshold. And this curtain rod, I have colored it many different times for different themes that I've done in my room. It's been black and silver, back to black. So that curtain rod's also from Target from years and years ago, but this is a 95-inch drop. So moving on to my desk space, I have a lot of newer bits going on over here. The first thing that I have on that side of my desk is just a mirror, like a cosmetic mirror. You can get them from Amazon. Any of them are usually good. This mirror is brand new. This is by Threshold from Target. I love that it's like a semi-matte finish of black around the mirror. I love the size of this. I feel like it just added so much to this desk. The old mirror that I had on here was much too small, and it just kind of looked unfinished because it was just a mirror and there was no finishing around the edges. Then over here I have my desk chair, and this was from Ross, I want to say 5 years ago, and I've had many different versions of this shape of chair, and it's not the most comfortable, but I make it work. Then over here, this is my new acrylic calendar, and this is from Target as well. It's from Sky Paper or something like that. I can't remember the name, but I'll link it down below. But they have different versions of this even on Etsy that you can kind of customize this a little bit more, but those get more expensive. Down here I have a crystal, like kind of like a bookend piece that I got again years ago at Target, and it lives on this little ring holder kind of coaster that I got in a FabFitFun box years ago. Then this tray that I have my perfumes and my pens on was from a Nate Berkus collection from Target again years ago. It used to be white. I just spray painted it black to add a little bit of the black back down to the desk because it was just way too much white going on. And then this little cup with my initial on it is from Anthropology. And then this is not here as decor. It's just an unfinished bottle of wine that I need to finish, but it is my personal stash, so I keep it in my room so nobody else touches it. Not that they would, but you know, just in case. And then last but not least, we have this little L-shaped side table that I have tucked in by my couch because I sit here sometimes and I'll do work or whatever, or I'll use it as like a TV tray while I watch TV and I'll eat something in my room. But this, again, was from Target years ago. Honestly, you guys, I find the best home decor stuff from Target. It's super affordable, and most of it is very good quality. So that is it for my updated room tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.